You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Williams, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I've been with the defendant for about 10 years now.
Okay.
We had children probably around my years, about 19, 20.
Okay,
And,
how old are they?
They're 8 and 5.
All right.
And right now, I'm an artist, Your Honor. That's how I met her. She was stripping.
I'm an exotic dancer.
She was stripping, Your Honor.
I'm an exotic
And that's
dancer.
how I met her. They was playing me in the club. Because I'm an artist, like I said, Your Honor.
Oh, you
and
were.
she's the one slowing me.
All right, guys, buckle up. This case is about more than money. It's about broken trust, kids caught in the middle, and two parents with very different stories. On one side, a father juggling barbering and parenting full-time. On the other, a mother making 6 figures, but only showing up 2 days a week. The judge? She's about to cut through all the noise. Let's dive in.
Me down with the children.
Okay.
And so, like I said, we've been together for about 10 years now. We got an 8 and a 5-year-old, and she's never there to take care of them.
I'm there for my
I can't
kids.
even do what I
Excuse me, ma'am. Let him speak, and then I can assure you I'll get over to you. And do me a favor, you're making me dizzy, rocking back and forth. Yeah, just, I know you're probably nervous. Just,
Notice how the dad lays it out. 10 years together, 2 young kids. But now he says he's carrying the full weight. He claims mom only swoops in for Happy Meals and a park trip. But here's the kicker. She was already a dancer when they met. So, is this about parenting or bitterness over the past? What do you think, excuse or valid concern?
all right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to mom?
Well, the kids are getting harassed in school right now
Why are they being harassed?
because she's stripping, Your Honor, and everybody knows it.
Okay, we're going to use exotic dancer because that's what she said her profession
Thank
is.
you, Your Honor.
And I think out of respect, you should refer to it as what she calls it, okay? It's her career, it's what she does. So that's what we're going to refer to it as.
This is where it gets raw. The kids are being teased at school over their mom's job. The judge immediately steps in, demanding respect for her chosen profession. Powerful moment. The law doesn't care about moral judgments, only facts about parenting and support. Would you have handled that differently, or did the judge get it right?
And that's why we're here, yes, ma'am.
Okay, and they go to school during the day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But on the weekends, they're with you at the barbershop.
Right, she gets them on Tuesday and Wednesday when she's off, but that's not enough.
Just Tuesday and Wednesday?
Just Tuesday and Wednesday.
They don't spend a night or anything like that?
Kids Meal and Park.
Okay.
Are you sick?
Kids Meal Park.
That's what you're
And
going
back
Excuse
home.
me. No, that's not what we're doing. You're not going to interrupt anymore.
If I'm lying, let them know if I'm lying.
You're not going to interrupt anymore.
The father insists the kids live almost entirely with him. 5 days a week. Mom only takes them on her days off. And here's the emotional sting. He says it's slowing down his barbering career. For single parents out there, does this sound familiar? Balancing survival with responsibility?
Not really sure why, because I take very good care of our children.
Well, you do know why. He just said he wants some help. You slowing him down. He can't cut hair the way that he needs to and make the money he needs to because the children are always with him.
I mean, they're not always with him. I do get them on Tuesdays and Wednesdays on my off days. That's something we agreed to because I am bringing in.
Hold on. Let me just clear something up. Those are only days you get them, right?
Well, like full time. I see my kids all the time, but on full time, from sun up to sundown, they're with me on.
Now mom takes a stand, and notice her tone. I don't even know why I'm here. I take very good care of my kids. But the judge quickly cuts to the denial. 2 days out of 7 isn't equal parenting. That reality check lands hard. Viewers, would you call this care or convenience?
Yes.
Okay.
After school, my younger daughter, she cheerleading.
But Your
Okay,
Honor,
are
I'm
you
the
taking them to
but
cheerleading?
I'm providing for them.
Okay.
He's not telling the
Okay,
financial
so
part.
let's talk about that then.
Yes.
How much money do you make?
I do very well.
That wasn't my
That's
question.
exactly what she told me.
Excuse me. That I can't,
I'm
write
sorry,
down
I'm
very
sorry.
well on the child support order. I need to know how much you make in a dollar amount.
$180K a year.
$180K a year.
Here's the financial bombshell. Mom admits she makes $180,000 a year. The judge asks, how much of that goes to the father for kids? Answer: 0. Instead, she claims she provides when the kids are with her. Huge red flag. Child support isn't optional generosity. It's mandatory responsibility. Do you agree with the judge's pushback?
He is telling you to do what you should do anyway as a parent.
But you're not
Your Honor,
in
the
private,
part-
Your Honor.
Your Honor,
He's
the
trying
part-
to get back with me.
Here,
He does
1 second.
extra
Hold on,
stuff,
hold on.
like-
Shh. It doesn't matter. That has no bearing on child support. What he says to you, what he says about you, doesn't make any never mind.
This is where the drama spikes. Mom accuses dad of just trying to get her back, but the judge shuts it down fast. Private drama doesn't erase child support obligations. Key lesson here. Family court doesn't care about who broke whose heart. It's all about the kids. Should personal history matter at all or never?
Now, if you're making $180,000 a year, why aren't these children on any type of health insurance?
Well, the profession that I have, there's no insurance offered, and I mean.
Well, it doesn't have to be. You're considered a independent contractor, right?
Right.
That means you can get private health insurance.
Well,
Did you know that?
I'm not really sure how to go about doing that.
You can
but-
Google and say to the internet how to find private health insurance.
The judge drills deeper. If you make $180,000, why don't your kids have health insurance? Mom tries dodging, says she doesn't know how, or assumes dad should cover it. The judge calls it out. You can Google it. No excuses. Brutal but fair. Be honest. Do you think the judge went too hard here, or was it needed?
Well, child support for what? Because you're
No.
definitely getting ready to pay. How about
No,
that?
wait.
Yes, no,
But
it's
Your
not
Honor,
a waste.
he didn't
No,
tell
ma'am.
you-
No, ma'am. You came here to waste my time.
No.
You did come here to waste my time. You make $180,000 a year,
Mm-hmm.
and you have not been doing what you need to be doing for these children. You don't pay for cheerleading. You pay for Happy Meals, and
But
I can't even say
he's
you pay for
acting
the
like
park
he
because
is
the
a-
park is
come
free.
from?
Your Honor, I just want to say, and he's talking about my kids being teased at school and all of that. No, he's the one being teased. He's the one that is brainwashing them to believe this stuff and want to turn my kids against me.
Here's a chilling exchange. Mom says, child support for what? And the judge fires back. Child support because you're about to pay. That's the turning point. We see mom's arrogance collide with legal reality. This is courtroom accountability in action. Would you call this poetic justice, or just a law doing its job?
But our kids is not an issue. They love me dearly. Please tell Your Honor, please tell her that how much the
Your
kids
Honor, I don't
love
have to
me. They talk
brainwash
about
them.
me.
I don't have to
in a
brainwash
good
them.
way.
They already know.
No. They
'Cause they
talk about
getting it
me
in
in a
school.
good way. They love their mother dearly because I'm there for them. What memories are you making with them? Do they
Okay,
tell you
hold
how
on,
they
hold
act
on.
at the
Let me-
park?
hold on.
They love the park.
Here's the memory.
The arguments spiral. Mom defends herself. Dad accuses her of leaving the kids alone. Old wounds, new accusations, it's chaos. But the judge stays steady, focused only on facts. Who has the kids? Who pays for what? Think about it. How often do family disputes drown in emotion instead of responsibility?
We're getting ready to make, because I made my ruling. You have capped out, according to Texas guidelines, your gross is $9,200 a month. Child support is set at $2,300. You're going to do
Thank
a
you, Your Honor.
reimbursement to Medicaid for $276, making your monthly child support payment.
And here comes a hammer. The judge calculates child support, $2,576 a month, plus Medicaid reimbursement. That's more than Happy Meals. That's real financial responsibility. Watch mom's reaction: denial, disbelief, anger. This is the climax. How would you feel if you were ordered to pay that much?
Have to hear anything further. Did you have any questions about that number?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, the both of you are dismissed.
And just like that, it's over. The father leaves with child support secured. The mother leaves stunned, and the judge makes it crystal clear. Kids come first. Excuses don't fly. This case shows how the courtroom strips away drama and gets to the truth. If this ruling stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.